me to Adele. I am so sorry guys, I haven't been posting for a long time. I feel like really sick and then my voice sounds weird. Don't think it really does something. I'm feeling a little better. But if it does, please don't mind. Let's start. Today's episode is afternoon rainy routine, so I'll start. Bored. I don't want to stay inside. We can't tell the weather. Just change the weather forecast. Did they have a weather forecast? Wow. And I mean really. It's this channel meant to have a weather forecast. Isn't it? Nah, whatever. It's so bored. Bored drawing the stupid. Because it's annoying drawing these two random girls. But I guess that's just life. It is, Noah. I know. That's why I'm getting over at school. Annoying. They look much more prettier now. I'm literally hungry. Mommy, can we have a snack? Alright, I'll make you guys a snack. Yay. Sissy, we're getting a snack. Dad, can I borrow the remote for a sec? Okay. Thank you. Change the TV. What? This is boring. Can you watch Organs of the Merchant? I guess we could have watched that. Yay! Look, he transforms. That is the most best part about the movie. He saves the... Jeez, boy, you're really brain rotted. That isn't brain rot. It is truly raining outside right now. Let me see. There's no sun out today. I just think we need to sweep this place. Honey, when was the last time you swept? Or mopped? I don't know. Oh my god. What was my life ever lazy? In UK, every time I had to wipe those clothes those floors extra clean. Let me start. Okay, get cleaning. Let's use some of this. Let's pick out. Okay, let's clean. Cleaning getting a bit fun. Let's use some. Oh, that's the wrong one. This toilet cleaner. Sorry about that. I think I'm gonna take this upstairs. And I might need to clean the bathroom. I don't even know what game to play. I don't know if Clara's so bad, bro. This is not even a game. Should I play Bunker Chicken? No, it's boring. It's just so much. This is a game to beat people in. So I guess I'll play it. Okay. All these people are noobs in these games. Oh, good afternoon, darling. Dad! You are literally distracting towards me. You can clearly see I'm trying to play a game. Okay, gee, sorry. Why is I iPad in here? Put the here, put the bin. Can I shot this as an iPad that blue? Just keep it there. Yeah, definitely the key and bathroom. Especially the toilet. With a sponge. The toilet soap. Oops. Right. Okay. Let's pour some of this bleach. Wait. Hold on. Oh my god. Did he seriously do this again? I thought there was toilet soap, but there's like dishes. It's not gonna clean the toilet. This was the real toilet soap. Toilet thing. We might need that in the toilet. Oh, why shower? There we go. Let's go. Oops, this is cool. There we go. So I need to clean. Might get clean some clothes too. I think. There we go. Okay. Let's put that on the stairs again. Oh jeez, that bedroom is really messy. Yeah, that's definitely a lot of clothes in that hamper. Let's get to cleaning. I've been washing. Put that in the laundry. That all of these. Oh no. Which one do I use? Which one do I use? Which one did he tell me to use? Which one? Cleaner cotton or just cleaner? Yeah, I'd choose both. There we go. Yes, that's so I'll do this. Okay. Let's sweep. Let's put those stuff. There, I think he's already. When are we gonna hang it up? I wish you said dryer. See, considering I told you the tumble dryer. I think the rain is starting to fade away now. I don't have time. But there's no more rain. We can hang them up. There we go. You wouldn't even be able to hang all of these up at a time. Hang up the kids first. Oops. Hang up the kids. What I could do? Okay. A few moments later. Okay, I think we only have 3 time. Let's put them. I keep changing into it. Put them all in there. Oops. There we go. I'll put this in the dryer. Oh, we missed one. I'm gonna leave them on the couch. That's what I normally do, to leave them. Like if they're missing something from their wardrobe, you can just go get it from there. Okay. Leave them right here. Okay. So what I'm gonna make today, I think I'm gonna make pasta. Why is the stove on? So let's start by getting the pasta. Oh, let me see what I want. Yeah, I think I have pasta. Okay, so let's get the pasta. I know I get pasta in the fridge, but it's like pasta cold. I think we'll make creamy pasta for today. So let's start by adding some. Putting all my ingredients here. Let's put that back there. Where's my cream? Again, get the cream cheese. Right there it is. Some cream. I'll ask the kids what some cream here. I don't want the yes. Let's get the cheese. I think we're gonna use some veggies. When I get some, use some olives and some shrimp. Okay, kids, come over here. Coming. What type of cream do you use for your pasta? Regular, spicy, or vegetarian? Regular. Okay. Okay, so they want regular. That's regular. Put these two back into the fridge. Okay. Then before we start that, on top, then fill the pot with water. Then there's a spaghetti. And break it pieces to let it set. There we go. On the microwave. While we're doing that, we'll make a cream cheese. Cream. So basically, first we'll start with our veggies. This is the most easiest part. Let's put that in the bowl. Steal our olives. There we go. Now let's make her. Let's just keep them here. This time we have cream cheese. Let me just look. I should add a bit of spicy. Okay, it won't be too spicy though. Okay, over here. There we go. Let's mix it up. Then I'll cut up some cheese and cut for whatever this is. Okay. Let's put that in there. Let's stir it up. Okay, then okay. Let's keep stirring it up. Okay, I think I'm done stirring that up. Let's put the veggies and stir it, mix it up together. Oh. Okay, then we'll pour all of this to the pasta. Okay, then let's set up. Okay, then I'm gonna make the perfect cream cheese pasta. And while I start cooking, I'll make a side of veggies because my children barely eat veggies. We'll probably do a side of peas. Okay, let's just remove the fork of the plate. Put some peas. Make sure they eat the spaghetti. Let's put the spaghetti first. Get the peas. Let's add the second spaghetti. Okay, now I'm done the food. Let me just take it to the table. They'll eat this. Kids, lunch ready. Yay. Remember to pray. God, please bless me and only me. Amen. God, please bless us. Good girl. Good kid. And guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye. It's me, Tick, and I'm out.